We're constantly told to focus on the now, the fast moving news, the newest gadget, the trends that change every day. But what if we decided to do something different? What if we focused on building something that lasts for years, decades, or even generations? This is what we believe in at Hobbies and Homes. We're not just looking to fill our time with hobbies, we're building for the future. Think of your home as a foundation for future generations. The skills you master today, whether it's fixing a faucet, preserving food, or crafting something by hand, are not just personal achievements. They're gifts for your kids, your grandkids, and beyond. When you invest in a tool that's built to last, you're not just buying a product, you're passing down a legacy of skill and self-reliance to the generations that follow. True wealth isn't about money. It's about passing down three key things: competence, the skills you teach; character, the patience and dedication that shapes us; and community, the network of people who help each other grow. These are the foundations of a meaningful legacy. It's a long-term way of thinking that's rare today, but it's worth it. We're building a community of people who want to make the world a better place, starting with their own homes and families. A place where wisdom is passed down and where everyone, young and old, has something to contribute. If this sounds like the kind of legacy you want to build, join us. Come to Hobbies and Homes, check out our community hub at the neighbor's porch, and let's start building something that will last, not just for us, but for the generations that follow.